So hello everyone, welcome back to Assam Career Nokri. So today's content will be all India work from home jobs where you can work nicely with your phone and laptop. So today's 16 work from homes are 8 tech content writer, there tech plus, Hura content writer, SEO content writer, intern content writer, where you can work nicely from home with just your internet. And today's jobs are available in my Telegram channel. You will get in the description. Or any queries you guys can ask me in WhatsApp, because you guys can see the WhatsApp number or in Telegram number. So you guys can text me directly out there. So without wasting our time, if you guys want to like it, just like it, and just to support, subscribe the channel. And we upload English content and in our regional language, that is Assamese. So without wasting our time, let's dive in to the direct jobs recruitment. So today's hiring process is number 1, EdTech content writer WeScore. Salary will be 35,000 to 45,000 per month. Location will be remote all India. So eligibility will be graduate in English, journalism, excellent writing skills. That means this job is going to be a typing job or a journalism, that is should be able to speak a good language, that is English or Hindi. Okay, so that's why it's given graduate in English. So you guys can apply it out here, and any queries you guys can just text me out in Telegram. So the next one is content writer, tech pullers. Salary will be 20k to 30k per month. Location will be remote. So guys, remote, that means what? That is work from home. You guys can work from home just with internet and mobile phone and laptop. Eligibility will be any graduate, basic SEO and WordPress knowledge. WordPress is a website designer platform where you can build a nice and engaging websites. So those who guys work in WordPress, they know what it is. So you guys can apply it out here, or any queries you guys can contact out in my WhatsApp or Telegram channel that is given in the description. Next is content writer Hura. Salary will be 15,000 to 22,000 per month. Location is still remote work from home, and you guys can apply it directly from apply now button. It's given out here directly, you can see. And the website link is in the description below. And if you guys think that it's very slow, the video, you guys can go to the settings and make it 1.5 to play it faster. So eligibility will be excellent in grammar, bachelor's in any field, alright? Any bachelor, that means any graduate can apply out here. The next one is SEO content writer, write the web. Salary will be based on experience. So in this job, they're hiring based on experience, and location is remote, that means work from home. Eligibility will be SEO knowledge, spreadsheet proficiency, alright? So apply now, you guys can get the job nicely. Next is intern content writer, Dastavis. Salary will be 6,000 to 10,000 per month. Location will be work from home. Eligibility will be pursuing graduation. That means if you guys are still studying, pursuing your degree, suppose you have only 12 pass certificate, then you guys can apply out here. Suppose you are degree student and you are in 5th sem, 7th sem, but not yet completed, but still you can apply it out here. So it's an intern content writer. That means you should be knowing how to type, writing skills. Content writer means many companies, they need a content writer. So it's a good opportunity to make your resume more stronger. Next is blog writer, Alpine Enterprises. So what do you mean by blog writer? So any websites, they need a content writer. So same as that one, if you know how to write, how to read in English nicely, in Hindi or in Assamese, then you guys can apply out here. Depends on the job or depends on the niche category. So salary will be 20,000 to 40,000 per month, and the location is work from home. If you have mobile phone or laptop or any other device like tablets and just one internet connection, you guys are good to go. Eligibility will be experience in SaaS, marketing niche preferred. Apply now if you want this job. The next one is freelance writer global grads. Salary will be 5,000 to 7,000 per month. Location will be work from home. Eligibility will be freshers with good grammar welcome. If you guys are good in English, then you guys can apply it out here directly. Next, SEO scriptwriter, multiple companies, alright? So it's a multiple companies hiring. This is an agency or consultancy that is hiring through many companies are hiring from them. So salary, it will be depend on your experience, and working will be work from home, and eligibility will be SEO and YouTube script writing skills. Suppose many YouTubers or famous YouTubers, they never write their own scripts, so you are good to go with them. Next is telecaller, Skyfall voice communication. Salary will be performance based, location remote. Eligibility will be 12 pass or above. Hindi or English speaking is compulsory. Next, telesales executive, Wrightburg. Salary will be 25,000 per month, and incentive will be there, and location is work from home. Eligibility will be sales experience preferred. Confident speaker. If you are a good speaker, then you guys are always welcome to apply it out here. And if you guys are still watching the video, just like that button, and so that we get more inspired to make videos and bring some work from home for you guys every day. 11 is inside sales executive B2C. Salary will be negotiable, so it's not already given nicely what will be the salary. So after getting selected, you guys will be knowing what will be your salary. Location will be remote, NCR preferred. Eligibility will be graduation, telesales experience. Apply now for more. Telecaller e-commerce. Salary will be 12,000 to 18,000 per month. Location will be work from home. Eligibility will be good communication skills, laptop plus internet, and you guys are good to go with apply now button. And any queries you guys can just ask in Telegram group, because the link is given in the description of my Telegram group, and this website link will be given out there. 13 is virtual assistant social media. Salary will be 15,000 to 25,000 per month. Location will be remote. Eligibility will be basic Canva, social media, and email skills. Apply now. It's given, button is given out here. You guys can just tap the button and just apply. 14. Online tutor, question and answer tester. Salary will be 18,000 to 30,000 per month. Location will be work from home. Eligibility will be subject expert. That means you guys should be knowing about subject like maths, English, physics, chemistry, anything. If you are a good teacher, or if you are a good teacher and already teaching in teaching profession, so you guys can apply out here. Laptop and camera required. Apply now, okay? AI prompt content writer. Tell us. That means nowadays you guys can see many AI things are generated through written, like ChatGPT, like DeepSeek, many things are coming up. But those who write this content, they are AI prompt content writers. So if you guys want to work out there, you guys can get salary up to $12 per hour. So earning in dollar is a great chance, guys. You guys can go and grab this opportunity right now. Location will be remote, all India. Eligibility will be fluency in English, creativity in text generation. Apply now. You guys can go for it. The 16 is freelance writer, self-growth path. Salary will be project-based. Location will be work from home. Eligibility will be building, writing samples, reach out to clients. That means you have to reach out to the clients and talk about what the product, what are you selling, or any sales representative work that you have to do, or any topic, any product. You should know how to talk with your clients and deal with it and close the deal. So you guys can apply it out here. So any 12 pass, 10 pass, or any graduate work from home is available out here. These 16 jobs are very good to go. I'll be very happy to help you guys. So this was it for today, and subscribe it if you are new and watching this video. This was the 16 work from home jobs, and if you guys have any queries, then you guys can just click in the description. That is my Telegram channel, and you guys can message me out there, and I'll be very happy to help you guys. So this was it for today. Thank you, and all the best for your future.